Alrighty, hi everybody. It is Sunday afternoon and we have another test for Google Gemini, and this is going to be with Google Calendar. All right, so we have Blue Sky up, and there is a post by AI and ML News about 14 AI conferences that we shouldn't miss. So I'm going to click on this link, and there should be 14 of them. And we'll see what the first one is. Here you go. Here's 7 of them listed right here. Data and AI Summit, all the way to Gen AI Summit Southeast Europe. All right, and then so if you go down the page, it gives you a little more information. So we're going to ask Gemini to help us put this on our calendar. So please, oops, page and create a numbered list of the conferences mentioned in this article. Please document name of the conference, location, date and time if available, and any links. Please, let's do that first and see. So we should have 14 of them. Oops, I forgot the link. So let's do link. And so while we're waiting for it, notice down here it says Gemini can make mistakes, so double check it. So the way I'm trying to double check this is it said 14, so I'm asking it to number the conferences. I'm going to do a spot check, make sure that there aren't any that are duplicated. And so far it looks pretty good. It looks like we have 14. All right, so now I'm going to say, can you add these to my Google Calendar? And let's see what it does. And while it's doing that, we're going to pop up calendar over here. Let's see, where is my calendar? There you go. And all right, so the first one would be June 9th, which is tomorrow. And let's see, all right. Okay, you want to create these 14. Do you want to go ahead and create them now? So there's 5 more. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Did I count them right? Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, 14. So I'm going to say yes, please add. And there you go. There's the one on the 9th. Let's check one more. Let's do July 8th. And there you go, AI for Good Global Summit, AI for Good Global Summit. So it worked. Thank you, Google. Thank you, Gemini. See you later. Bye-bye.